Hello everyone, once again, welcome to my Dhara education. This is Saboni Dhara once again. Many of the people are not using a proper words, irrespective they know the English. उनको पता है English, लेकिन फिर भी कुछ mistakes हो जाते हैं. So to overcome that, this video is all about how to speak a proper English. Many of us, they use wrong English, wrong words, and they implement in their sentences, which is absolutely wrong. So this video is all about those mistakes which happens. So you need to improve. So please watch this video till the end to improve your English speaking. He did a mistake. He made a mistake. I'm going to home. I am going home. She is listening a song. She is listening to a song. I am agree with you. I agree with you. I don't use a watch. I don't wear a watch. Years back. Years ago. Oh my dear viewers, these all were the misused words which normally people speaks when they speak in English. So if you are speaking like this, please replace it into a proper and perfect words. So please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel, My Dhara Education, and also like and share with your friends and family too. Bye bye. Take care.